is really complex and cannot be that good in many of these cases. I have not explained it directly into many cases from any other server, including or excluding Involio, so it will be the first time I'm explaining. Oh, wait, the stream is working? Okay, let's go. So, hello, it's time to explain this. The series complex, really complex. But to explain it simply, AMTT is basically going from abstraction to details. So instead of us going with abstract levels, saying we have multiple phases in a market, so we have 5 phases for trending markets or accumulating markets, and 4 phases for deviate to deceleration markets. No, here we try and be more precise. We're gonna have to detect and know which phase is happening and how to enter them perfectly, getting the maximal risk reward possible while keeping a very high accuracy down the line. AMTT suggests that we should use some kind of slope that will be better than actually calculating levels by an equation called the EFX equation, which is basically trying to calculate the slope of markets. That's how I use that in technical MTT to calculate that slope and can be translated to an EMA. An EMA is more reactive than any kind of slope you can get. And outside dynamic trading, it's not momentum thesis, but just trying to copy that. And from there, we can use that to translate the phases of MTT. In other words, we can use a reactive slope tracking mechanism to track momentum, not predict it, and translate the image of MTT phases along with it. So, in other words, we're going to be using an EMA just to track that wave, not to use that to predict, but use that to translate our phases. And from there, AMTT starts existing. And from there, we can use specific reversals, the first of which is called the breaker. The breaker is a very infamous term of a destroyed order block, but for me, I have a different methodology. A breaker setup entry is not a broken order block or fair value gap or a fill of an imbalance. No, it is basically a head and shoulders pattern coming in on an actual breaker block. In other words, it would look something like the following. So, first of all, take this as an imbalance. The imbalance should be part of an order block. Let's give this imbalance the color orange, and let's decrease this. This is the imbalance, and this is a breaker or order block. Can be either a normal order block or a breaker block. Both of them work great. This is our entry model called order block breaker. And from there, we're going to try and use AMTT because the best way to explain this model is to go by specific systems in some other theory called aggravated triple deviation theory. And outside normal conditions, TDT only helps us with knowing liquidity levels. ATDT will give us reversal setups on these liquidity levels. We'll have to go buy it and then go ahead with what we are given. So, let's see. The entry specific model we. Wait, someone. Oh. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I had to mute you. Okay, just some. A specific entry model would be something like this. You want a deviation. By a deviation, you would want to check on order flow and see that there is no real demand coming in, and this was a deviation removing liquidity. So open interest should drop in this, and from there, you want to see open interest falling back and chasing. So this will be another deviation. And here, this will be a sweep. This sweep should remove most of the finalized open interest, making it drop dead. In here, you want to detect CVD diverging with future CVD and or spot CVD against price action and open interest. Once that happens, it gets confirmation again above the imbalance. So this is called confirmation. OI, SCVD, DV, SCVD, CVD, SCVD, divergence. And from here, you get your entry. This is an A plus model, technically, but it's not MSS. It is much different and much more precise. These setups, this is an example of what we have in ATDT, which is another theory we'll work on later on in a couple of weeks because it's bigger too. But this is just an example of one of the models I use. This is not again to be deferred with anything with ICT, though they are very similar. In technical AMTT, we would like to use Fibonacci extensions and the retracement levels. From there, you want to use the deviation level and the sweep. Technically, in most cases, these have the highest level of volume, and from there, you can extend multiple important levels. This level is considered the TP you want to take, and this is a potential PRZ, bearish PRZ, and this is your acceptance level. So if you technically take a trade right over here, your stop loss would be at the sweep, and your take profit will target this, making a 2.76 or probably higher up until 5. This is a high accuracy model setup you can try and use in any coin, and it's a killer setup. This is very low risk and good risk reward, though not that crazy. This is not just for scalps, day trading, can be used on either swings too. Could happen in many, many more. And once you get divergence with spot CVD over here, you can try and attempt a short after a deviation had been done. Once the deviation is done, you can short, use that deviation high, example deviation high here, and take the sweep pre-level as your TP, which technically has higher profit levels. And this is one of the 10 models that we can use in AMTT. So hopefully this explains the retracement and how these Fibonacci levels work. So now we can explain AMTT better. This was just an example. Now we will get into the good stuff. If anyone has any questions, tell me. Okay, no questions. Okay, let's go. So let's continue. Example is trend lines. We're gonna go directly with actual price action. So let's use a previous example of trending price action. Let's try and use this. This has deviations and it is beautiful. We can use this. So one of the things you can use are consecutive waves. These consecutive waves can be extended by the following. Price action can go either downwards, upwards, or choppy. Chopping, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, these equal highs can be represented as creation of liquidity and potential rate of the future liquidity before a reversal. This is not to be used in AMTT under extensions of Fibonacci. We're not going to use that. So one of the cleanest examples we have is wave 1, wave 2. You extend the wave 1 by wave 2, and either it will take a quick burst on this wave 3, break the trend line, make a breaker, and then reverse. Once that happens, you want to extend a short with an entry over here, stop loss in this high, take profit here, and potential PRZ here. In the other side, you want to see other models potentially. The 2.618 is another possible extension right over here as an example. So you can have a sweep like this. And again, you can extend from this high to this high and then get your levels. And you can short. This is called the shooting AMTT possible reversal setup, or AMTT VXT 2.618. These names are more autistic than I am, but respects my autism, I guess. Another possibility is golden AMTT, not that possible, but three distinct waves that are co-equal in distance and co-equal in time. This kind is cleaner and has higher liquidity levels downwards most of the time. This can apply both directions, up and down. So let's take a quick example, though not that clean. This is one of the cleanest examples we have. Here, this is a breaker, right? And this is the deviation. If you extend, you see that this is the 1.618 cleanly. You can extend your levels like this. In this trade, you get this. You get your deviation, and then you get quick accumulation upwards, though this had deviated the order block. So this would have been detected as a bearish setup. Wait, that hits a sell. So afterwards, reversal. If it deviates above the 1.618, rejection. And that's this. Let's see again. This. Here you go. You also had a wave downwards, accumulation above the order block, though deviated, so this will not be called true support. You get a wave, then you get acceptance below the 1.618, then you reject back down, and look what's happened. In this period, clean AMTTs did not exist that much, but you can have way cleaner breaker levels. So here, you had a clean breaker from this low to this high, but this wave, we can say that this dildo will not make any sense. Another thing that we have is called trending range Fibonacci's, which is basically we'll need to use volume as another indicator in our levels. Here we go. This is another level with the highest volume in green. This is another, and this is another. This is a level we'll see later. Here you go. Detected level is right over here. The highest volume wicks, which is here, here, and here, represent this level, which is called the XC shooting AMTT. This level will match the 2.618 extension by this high. As you see, you can extend levels downwards. And from there, we see that this was a very clean order block that was formulated and was retested cleanly, and we got our reaction. Now we're awaiting the 1.618 extension, which is right over here. If we can close above this level, it would probably be possible that we reverse back to 100k as TP, and this is where you may find good resistance that could fuck things up. So these are our levels. Potentially here, and potentially here. So these are methods you can use by Fibonacci to extend these levels. That's why these trend lines look so weird. So any questions with this before we go to actual trades and explanations? No questions?
Alexa, volume one.
What? Okay. Alright, let's go. Now we're gonna look at what we have here. In the last couple of days, we can see that things are not looking that good actually for us longers, unfortunately. This amount of open interest represents positions opening while future CVD is rising, which is HTF scary. A ton of liquidity is building up from 84k up until 80k, which means a potential deviation to these lows could occur. Possibly. Not yet, but possibly. A divergence, that is highly possible, but once you try and do this, you want to minimize DXLL liquidity on these highs. Wait, by the way, someone is sulking. Can somebody mute this person if possible? Oh, Chris. Oh, I see. Okay. Welcome in, Chris. We're looking at some few things. So let me just channel in this. So, technically, this is what we have at this moment. Market makers are trapping everyone, and it will be hard to play what goes first. The most low risk possibility, the most reasonable thing a conservativist trader can do. Oh my god, that stutter was insane. Is wait for these lows to be rated, or wait for the highs to be rated, and not try and play the center of either longing or shorting. That's HTF. not LTF. And if you ever try and go into a position, don't try to be in HTF rather than just scalping or just day trading for a couple of days, not fully swinging for weeks. That will be a bad idea. I'll screenshot this, just explaining that there are longs and shorts trapped HTF. Now we will have to check LTF. So, by any normal means, we'll have to look at what low level liquidity is going and see what will happen with that. In mind, there are some interesting things though. That's correct. I have not loaded Spot CVD yet, but I'll just show that in a second too. Here we go, this is CVD. I'll just need all of what I can get. These are basically people are exiting their longs, which means there are shorts to take. So there will be a void of liquidity where actually it's not a volume node, nothing like that, but this will not help us with accelerating downwards. So this box of no liquidity is not good for market makers. You would have to get that fuel. And that fuel will be taking the shorts that are actually trapped. The only things and liquidity that we have is the shorters that are between 91.65k, which we teased yesterday, and actually the bounded high at 93k. These are some good liquidity levels to take. So, my forecast would be taking this high over at 93k and then potentially selling over. And this will probably be a good rounded retest short. If we get that, it will be a very clean short that we can get if we get this possibility. That's because I'll have to explain. Longs out, LTF. Here we go. Alright, let's get straight in. I want to play that wave high, so we'll have to look at LTF data. Because, yeah, guys, I want to bless y'all with a buy. I'm not gonna make you just leave with funny information. No, we're gonna get trades, and hopefully everyone gets in. I already have that position. I'm just gonna send it to you, though it's a risky idea. So let's look at this, alright? Spot CVD is actually doing a higher high, which is healthy absorption, so this will not be a deviation, probably, or it will be actually a corrective wave rather than just a deviation. If so, we're gonna deal with this with non-deviated reversal setups. This is also a breaker. We can extend our levels very cleanly, very easily, like this. Though we don't want to do that, we'll try and play this level as the liquidity low. If it is broken, our breaker would probably be done for. We would use this as deviation high and this is deviation low because both of them are deviations. And then we can get our Fibonacci extensions, which are not bad, they're good. Now, this is our breaker. Okay. So, for this, I'll be calling our buddy Lucas to get us his ideas on
Uh,
liquidity. Now,
Bitcoin long.
would Lucas please stand up? Yes.
Hello.
What do you think? What? No, no, about liquidation levels, if that's possible for you to share.
Wait, let me
It would be good
check.
for you to, yes, share with us your liquidity levels, LTF, that show this bounded range.
Let me load in the lots. Okay, so we do see a lot of liquidation for shorts around 90,480, so 90,480. We see a lot at
Wait,
90,480.
can you increase your slope? Because I think you're looking at the 5 minutes, the 1 minute. Is it possible for you
Oh
to
wait,
check the
sorry.
hourly or the
Let me
15 minutes?
check.
Just each.
Okay, on the 15 minute, we got liquidation at 91,324 for shorts. And for longs, we got liquidation at 90,000 precise. These
Okay.
are the main levels. And we got way more short liquidation. Like we got way more liquidity on the shorting level. So price
Wait,
usually
show me.
will tend to go up.
Wait,
I can
I
show you.
cannot see your screen. Yeah, show ahead. Show everyone. By the way, we took this trade. Y'all can take this. But be
Price will
visual.
probably tend to go up. If we look at the heat map here, we can see a lot of stuff here and down here. We see way more liquidity up here. So I would
Can we zoom
expect
up a little
price.
bit? A little bit more?
Oh, yeah, if we zoom out, actually, it just unloads. It only shows the big levels, but yeah, we see levels here. So basically at 90,900, we can see some stuff here. 9,300.
Wait, wait, by the way, Chris, if you wanna hop in with us, welcome in. We're order flow buddies now. It would be really good to get a
Yeah,
quadruple confirmation.
wait, Chris is gonna trade order flow. Oh my God. Oh wait, you actually
Yes,
already trade order flow.
yes, he's your actual s- trader. He's
He's
like you.
my
Oh,
he's my cousin. Oh my God.
yes, the long distant cousin, and I'm your counter twin. Okay? We all use order flow, but I don't use footprints. But both of you do. Yeah, but I see also liquidity at 92k. I can see that's correct with you.
We see
Also, I
liquidity
can.
at 91k too. Really a lot of shorts, so I think price will tend to go up here.
Yeah, what do you think, Chris? What do you think about this possibility
New
of
York
taking the
Open in
high?
3 minutes, in 5 minutes, by the way. So we're gonna get liquidity now. Dom strength is extremely strong on the bid, so probably go high.
Chris,
If
what
I
do you
look at
think
the
about?
TPO,
Yes, welcome in, buddy. I'm just gonna stop my music
oh yeah, no
to
worries.
let.
If I look at the TPO the last week, for me at 0.45, like you can see on that screen I shared, it tapped right into the
Yes.
single print and we got a strong reaction from that. Also, that was the 12-hour order block, which, or was it 12? Yeah, it's acted as support yesterday already when we wicked down. So I think I'm pretty much with you. Like we go up, we liquidate above like 91.3 or something. Maybe take the highs of yesterday 1.6 maximum, and then I think we turn around. I think I shared this yesterday in my channel.
Oh, that's really beautiful. So we have triple confirmation.
Are we gonna
That's really
get trading or because New York is open now in 4 minutes, so the volume's gonna start to go up, so we're gonna get order flow now working.
Yeah, don't diddle in the middle. We have yeah, we have all confirmation in the world, all same levels. I'm just trying to play something. No, we have quadruple confirmation. Same short
Yeah.
levels. Same
Casper is on our
freaking
side
long
as well.
levels. We have yeah, Lu- our buddy Casper is with us. Yeah, by the way, I'm just trying to pinpoint a short here, you know. I'm probably gonna close earlier. Also, I'm just playing with theoretical setups that are risky. Yes, different approaches. I'm using spot CVD, open interest, and our AMTT theory. Lucas is with our liquidity levels. By the way, Lucas, you can bless us with maybe your markets with the private liquidations. That would be
No,
better.
I can't actually. I don't think I have the system connected now, so I'm kind of
Uh
I don't have my passwords here.
yeah, I
I don't
see.
have the API keys. Don't have the API keys.
Oh yeah.
Can't
Also,
access the data feed.
Casper, you have our buddy Lucas is also a outside being a trading animal. He also likes coding. So you got another buddy.
Oh, Casper's a programmer.
Yep.
Hell yeah. I'm doing a hackathon
Oh,
in England in a bit.
Really?
Yeah. Gonna be participating and hopefully winning and free food. So good.
yeah, okay, we are all similar then. Chris and Lucas both share their love for footprints. I share my love for risk reward, but Lucas takes that way too seriously, though.
Anyway,
Yeah,
I
go ahead.
think we
Let's
can
continue.
start. I think we can start trading now because New York is open. So we're gonna get some volume finally on the charts, and we can start finally trading, I guess.
Wait,
We have
yeah, wait, hold on.
yeah.
Just sharing an update for our long, where it's going 1 hour right now. We're getting a decent bounce. Either it's a bounce or the sheer amount of liquidity we pumped the price. Yeah, by the way, just a quick comment before I leave Lucas to shine the light for Bitcoin and Chris. Spot CVD is actually doing good. So just to let you know, this is healthy movement, not really false. Anyways, Lucas, shine the light, please.
Okay, let's try to find some banger trades now. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin first because that's usually what I look at when market opens. So let's try to look at how Bitcoin is doing. We can see actually a pump. That's normal when New York opens. Usually we get liquidity, so Bitcoin's gonna pump. We see rejection of VWAP actually, so that might signal bearishness. In the long run, I'm still like, if we look at like the high time frames, I'm still really bearish. But I think we can try to take some lows around this area, some highs, sorry, around this area. On value area high on the 4 hour, and maybe on the daily we can try to get to value area high again, which is about here if I remember correctly. So I think a good trade would be or to long here, or to wait for price to to start being choppy around here and to start dropping here. So we see actually Bitcoin didn't react. Actually, Bitcoin didn't react to this high volume node, so I would actually this does signal bearishness actually. Looking here. So it's or we consolidate now or we just go down because if we break this level here, we're probably going down because this level here is the absorption level. So We did not break it yet. Buyers are still present in this area of the candle. So basically, myself for Bitcoin, I still think we can try to reach some highs here or here on value area high before going down. Or because I'm bearish for this session, but if we break this, we're directly going down. We did reject really well of the lower deviation, so that's a really good sign. Pigeon is also here for me. He's my buddy. We trade a lot together, so we're probably gonna be taking some trades from him too.
Hello.
Yeah, you find any trades you can take on Bitcoin at the moment, potentially?
I'm really looking at Bitcoin right now. I think we are bearish on Bitcoin long term. Short term, I would probably try to long this if we don't break lower deviation or this level here. So I think a good long now with an entry here would be good. And a really tight stop loss. Maybe you set a limit order at 90,188. Price gonna probably try to tap this out. And if we get a closure above this level, on the 1 hour, we're probably good. So yeah, we're gonna get filled.
Yeah, your market making ideas are actually hunting my stop loss. That was nice.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna buy
Yeah.
here when we reach this level, so I'm gonna set a limit order actually on my gamble account.
I do believe that Bitcoin's going to go up this session.
Yeah, so we got confirmation from Pigeon also, so that's good. I'm gonna set my limit order at this low volume area here. This is just New York entries, that's normal. Okay, let's see. Oh, we tapped it. Shoot, I didn't have time. Right. Try to get a nice limit
Order
here.
placed.
0.1 Bitcoin at exactly.
Order placed.
Now we go on the 1 minute and we should try to tap this and then go back up. And I'm gonna set my stop loss right below the lower deviation here. And we should be able to reverse back up now if we try to touch this and then go back up. Because we did reject once and twice from this level here. And we actually see on the volume footprint, this is the lowest point of volume. We could maybe try to tap all these levels before going down. So these are possible points of entry.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled. Stop loss here
Order
actually.
placed.
Okay, we tapped this level here and this low volume node here, this one. On this chart here, we tapped this. Gonna set my stop here. We rejected really well, and actually we broke this low on price but non CVD, which means there is
Yeah,
some
wait,
top absorption
Wait, by
happening.
the way, people are trying to buy. Yes, you bought with stop loss at 90,074, right?
Where's my stop? 90,074. Yep.
I
If
think
we-
it will
if we go-
retrace sub 90k before we see any motion to the upside.
Yeah, maybe. I don't actually 90k is a void here, so we might see like price really scared of this level here because we see no volume here. And if we go, or we just go right through here, or we just reject this level and go back up. And if we break this level here, we're gonna start chopping around this area here because of the high volume. Price really likes high volume nodes, so they don't reject it. Like price usually rejects low volume nodes. High volume nodes are points of comfort, so this would be a point of comfort for the price. So price is usually attracted to these nodes here. We are going down. If we close below VWAP, it is down. This is a bearish signal. Let's see if we react to this one. We did react again.
I've set my limit order to 90k on the dot.
90k, yeah. How is our VVV short doing? Awesome. We're up heck of a lot.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, Wagyu posted my trade in chat. Let's see if we
Yes,
can get.
It's up to R.
We're up 2 hour on our trade, 0.11 Bitcoin. Now we're gonna start going up. Actually, these are limit orders actually, so we're getting driven. Prices is getting driven by limit orders. We hit this. We could have hit our limit order here, 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 or here. Depends on how risky you want it to go, but I wanted to get to this trade definitely. So this did So we couldn't risk it. I could have set my limit order here, 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 or here. I decided to go with the top one to make sure I'm in the trade. I'm gonna market, or I'm gonna, if we break this level, I'm gonna buy again at market. So we double down on the position.
Wait, actually, by the way, I did a mistake. This is actual liquidity, just to show. I did a quick mistake, so thank you. This is not, this is basically triple deviation theory. You had the reversal, but it came back down for the liquidity here. So I did a mistake on
placed.
my own.
I also did a
So-
mistake. I actually did not enter with my. Oh yeah, I didn't enter with 1%. I entered with 0.1%. So that shut me up.
Honestly, I was
Mm.
expecting a lot more manipulation from this session, but it's pretty calm so far.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks pretty good, LTF. We're
Okay,
trying
I
to play
hit.
a
Okay,
scalp.
that's good.
You're trying to play a scalp to a swing, I guess. Spot CVD is extremely healthy, so I give you
Order
that.
cancelled.
Amazing snipe, Lucas.
Order cancelled.
Amazing snipe.
Yep,
Up
we got a
4
stop
R.
loss. Yep, we're up 4R and we got a almost perfect entry here because of the low volume nodes here. It's really a risk game. Like if you really don't want to lose much, you put at the lowest low volume node on the relative price index. And if you want to get filled, absolutely, but accept to get a worse entry, you can just you can put it at the first limit here.
Amazing
Um,
trade. Actually, up 7 R. This looks
yeah,
good.
and in this area here, actually, you can see we start to get high volume here, high volume bands, peaks. So I just set my stop loss right below the high volume band, so price has time to consolidate before going up. We are going to shoot up. We broke this high here. CVD did not break it, so we're actually getting driven by liquidity more. So this is actually bullish now. We're going to take these highs and then we're probably going to go down again towards the end of the session. I'm looking at this here, the amount of volume that we get here. If we get more volume on this side than on this side, which we are getting, that means sellers are starting to enter now. We're gonna probably get a retracement to this level back again, and then we're going up, because this is the main liquidity level. Pigeon, you got any other coins to look at? Because I'm kind of focused on Bitcoin now.
Let me just check the charts.
Yeah, I'm gonna check crypto bubbles so we get an overview of the market. Bubbles.
Yeah, no, we're not. You're not gonna be hated for using bubbles.
Oh, people don't hate
Don't
bubbles.
worry. No.
Oh, GMT crashed. We could have shorted GMT, yeah. Right before stream. I wanted
Yeah,
to
right
We
watch
love
stream.
bubbles. Yeah, everyone loves bubbles. By the way, you closed the long?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Still at
Nice.
20 bucks in profit. I
Venice
entered with
tokens
0.1. How is Venice token doing? We're doing pretty good on the challenge account. That's good. I closed the trade on my main account. Challenge account is doing good.
Merlin chain would be a decent scalp short, I'm pretty sure.
Merlin. I'm looking at crypto bubbles.
Check.
Like, there's nothing. Let me hit trading view up real quick. Let's try to find some nice scalps. Why can't I open trading view? That's weird.
Check out Bitcoin. Retraced most of the deviation. This was
Yeah.
the
Oh, we
deviation.
broke this level. That might invalidate
If you're
our
making a
short.
breaker.
No, we actually holding on this liquidity
If it's a
level.
break,
We're holding this. Okay, no, we didn't hold this. Okay, that's bad. We reacted to this low volume node, so that might be good. This is bearish now because we broke this buying pressure level. We're gonna maybe take more liquidity and go back up. If we hit our stop loss, that's fine. We would have hit my original TP actually because we did bounce here. We would have hit my TP. I just moved it up because I saw buyers, but oh wait, no, we actually see buyers now. Okay, that's good.
yeah, there is actually a potential breaker. So, yeah, it would be a nice idea to take this. I'm just gonna post that.
We hit my line here, this one. Okay, crypto bubbles, how are we doing? Pretty red on the, whoa, Zcash. Nice short. Checking charts. Golem is up. Oh, don't trade Golem, by the way. This is like a coin that's price doesn't move because of order flow. It moves with the activity on the blockchain, so it's an inconsistent coin to trade. Found that out the hard way. We got CLO, not tradable on Bybit, sadly. Wait, not weeks. Okay. Everything is red, so I'm really expecting move up now. What do you mean you're blind?
I'm pretty sure it was Grape said I was a shitcoin king, and then I meant to reply to it saying, "You know I am," but I accidentally replied to the wrong message twice in a row.
No. Okay, buyers got absorbed. If we hit our stop loss, we hit our stop loss. No worries.
There is actually a breaker. It could be a nice idea to add that missed amount you didn't take before, you can take now, but
No, that
increase
would
probably
be.
the stop loss
Oh,
at
wait,
around
that would be 10K.
at
50K.
90K 100.
100,000. Wait, 100. I gotta calculate again. I don't remember how much I have in my account.
Ooh, yeah, it's cold. It's so cold
wait.
here.
No, it's 100,000. Okay, sellers are winning here, so it might be a good idea to short actually. Okay, we're now down in profit. We caught this here. We would have hit my original scalp TP, but Wagyu kind of got me greedy here. We would have hit the POC TP.
I'm just letting you know
Uh,
we missed like the perfect scalp on Resolve. It went from 0.073 to 0.071 in like an hour. So
Ah, shit.
I missed that.
Pre-market has a lot. Oh, bro, Magic. Do you remember yesterday I was talking to you about Magic? We went down to like nothing. We crashed like half of it. Yeah,
We need to start
I could have
entering
entered.
what we say.
Magic. Wait. No, I'm not entering this. Baby. What's this coin? Baby. No, not a good short. SVL. Nope. Cock. Inu. Not in that way, but yeah, that's looking like a good short. Okay, VVV is
I'm
starting to
honestly
slow
thinking
down.
about shorting
I'm
GMT again.
You're shooting the GMT again. Yeah, VVV is starting to struggle now. We're really rejecting this high volume area.
What's your thoughts on GMT?
GMT, let me check
Order
actually.
cancelled.
Yeah, we got stopped on BTC. Sellers won. GG's, we're going to this area now. We got stopped out. That's minus $13 for the day. Thank God I didn't enter with 1%. GMT USDT.
GMT, it's looking.
I reckon we
juicy.
short it. I reckon
Yeah,
we short it.
I can see buyers like fizzling out a little bit. So I
Yeah, no, let's
reckon that we
short
are.
this. Okay, well, let's wait for a good entry actually. Let me graph the volume profile real quick.
I honestly
got it
think
in-
a good entry would be now. Like on the low time frames, it's looking pretty juicy.
Oh yeah, we're shorting this. Okay, this is my entry. I'm gonna set my limit orders here. You know what? I
Order
can just
filled.
sell market. Doesn't
Order
matter.
filled. Order
Also,
filled.
Wait, no, I'm
Bojack
10x.
Horseman entered a position on render
Order filled.
for short.
What did he do on render?
He's short in render.
Okay, that's minus $400 here, so that's 72,155. Wait, I'm calculating here. Okay,
Order
yeah,
placed. Order
that's good.
cancelled. Order cancelled.
Gonna place all my orders. Okay, now GMT is struggling. We see limit orders here, but that's completely fine actually.
I've just entered.
Okay, yeah, good entry. Oh, if I get stopped out, I'm re-entering. Shrimp.
I'm not
okay.
sure about render though.
No, render, we're
Like-
not entering. There's way too much. If I'm getting stopped out, I'm re-entering. That's minus $166.
Welcome in, Sunny Ladder. Also, by the way, this looks like a good setup, HTF. Because
Also on
nothing without-
GMT, be careful with leverage. It's very volatile at the moment.
By the way, quick, I'm just gonna need to show something real quick and I'll let Lucas continue because I'll have
Go
to
ahead.
do something. Just check this. Do you see the stream? Okay. So just to understand something with Bitcoin, HEF absorption, anything that is healthy has untagged. What Lucas is trying to do is live trade and do great or and scalps. But for this, it doesn't go against his models or anything. But just to let you know, overall, this is a textbook position to take. Since the spot CVD higher high, all of this is very, very good. So this setup is officially A+, which we hadn't had since a while. Just wanted to know. We're using hard stop loss.
We got stopped
And-
out. We got stopped out. We got stopped out.
Wait, on what? On Bitcoin long?
GMT,
on
no,
the...
GMT. Bitcoin long, we already got
Oh.
stopped. Okay, we're gonna short GMT again.
Okay,
get a good
now I
entry.
let you off to continue live trading. Let's see.
Yeah, GMT had a bit of a pump.
Yep, we'll be shorting again. Let me share my screen again. I'm in again on another trade. Stop loss is here. Okay, we should reject VWAP. If we don't reject VWAP, that's pretty bad. That's $300 loss. Okay, why is my stop
I'm
so
gonna
high?
avoid
Wait.
a DCA for now.
Wait, by the way, can you check HTF ETH, like on the 15 minutes or the hourly? I think it would give us some great RR trade soon on Ethereum. Because it's really good right now. Really doing good.
Okay, let me just set a TP here. We're gonna set a small TP. That's $400.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order
That's
cancelled.
really bad
Order
RR
cancelled.
actually. Really bad entry I got, but I have to market enter. Else my limits just don't get filled on these coins because they have low liquidity, so I have to market enter. That's my bad, but that's an issue.
Lucas, if you're entering
Yeah.
GMT, make sure that you enter at like 20 times leverage maximum because it's like a single candle wiped me out to like minus 40%. So
Yeah, I'm on 24x. That's fine. And I got my I mean that's a 1-to-1 almost, but I have to market enter, which is pretty bad, and I really
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
like that. Okay, we hit limit orders. They're still buying absorption, so I reckon we're going for the new high really here.
Okay, yeah.
So
GMT just had a nasty red candle.
By the way, since
where?
I and
I'm not
Lucas
seeing that.
do... Wait,
I
hold
was
on.
looking at the wrong
So,
chart, never mind.
1 second. So since I and Lucas do dual trades, I believe I would need to go for now. Since though I'm early, that's only 15 minutes in, but I have to really go since I have some things to get ready. I'll leave Lucas to continue doing his magic. No, Lucas will continue. Until then, I'll leave for now, and please, Lucas, show us the light with your trades and work on analysis. And if there is any questions, do not hesitate to ask Lucas. I really have to go now. There is some things happening. I'll be back soon though. If things get better, I'll be back.
Okay, Wagner's gone, sadly. So let's try to see if we get more buying pressure. I think we're going for the new high here. That's pretty bad for me. 200, 300. So
We
okay.
holding GMT.
Yeah, I think I'm holding this. This is a really good trade. We could hit potentially like a pretty big if we
Order
go back to
cancelled.
VWAP, which price usually does on these coins. Could make $1,000 on this one.
Awesome. Right, yeah. We'll hold it for a bit then.
1 band here. Yeah, I think I'm just holding it. Not even
Yeah,
joking.
hold it.
We're struggling now. We're gonna try to move sideways. I don't think that's a good thing, but I'm gonna try to remove my stop loss actually. I'll just remove and put it like up here. Or
Have you
just
got
don't do that.
crossbars?
I got margins, so I'm fine with this. Yesterday was a really profitable day. Insane shit. Got this, so CBD is starting to go down. So these are just passive limit orders now. Are trying to go through.
Honestly,
we
Greg,
actually
for the
got
take profit on GMT, I'm honestly thinking of holding it back down to 16 cents area. Because historically, that's what we've seen from this coin.
yeah. This could be a nice hold. That's 3K. No, I'm seeing
Order
my
cancelled.
original
Order
CP of
placed.
VWAP, bit above VWAP actually.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we rejected 3 times off my line here, 4 times. But buyers are still winning like crazy.
On GMT or Bitcoin?
Yeah, buyers are winning like crazy. Since I'm a scalper, I might wait for a good entry. We're seeing sellers now. Press is struggling. No, we didn't break any candle low. If we don't break this candle low here, I'm closing. Oh, we actually did break it now. That's good. Okay, that's good. We broke this. Okay. Are we rejecting the upper deviation? If we reject this, I'm also closing because price probably gonna go up again. Pigeon's probably gonna hold it.
Just let me know when
Okay,
you close,
finally.
and I'll probably have to close with you. And just wait for a bit.
Yeah, no, CBD just shot down. Yeah, we're going down now.
Okay.
CBD just have a huge red candle. How many positions? Yeah, we got first time ever we got positions liquidated. That's good. Okay, we're seeing. Okay, yeah, there's no more buyers. We're good. We're good. Okay, there's sellers. There's no more buyers. We're good. GMT is
Awesome.
gonna hit TP.
Pigeon always wins.
The pigeon always wins. I might just rename myself to pigeon number 2. That would be funny.
Need to make a flock.
Yeah, pretty much perfect here. This over here. Okay.
Right, I'm gonna go make myself a cup of tea.
Go get your cup of tea, British fool. On the
Right.
challenge account,
Okay.
we're doing. Challenge account is doing good. Actually, let me restart my. Where is it? Where is File Explorer? Let me restart that. Okay. Okay, GMT has sellers now. Or we're gonna try to break this again. That's good. We could have sniped this. Really, I really wish I could like place limit orders, but I just can't because the orders are way too big and there's not enough liquidity. I just get rejected off the orders. Pretty bad, but this is gonna be a good short. We're up now on GMT. There we go. There's GMT. We're starting to go down on the day. Yep, and now we could short it to like 0.16 here again before it goes back up, and then that's a good long. Now we're up on GMT $20. Let's see if we hit this $1,000 gain. I can't enter on the challenge account because it's reporting this. I'm closing VVV. This is not looking like a good short anymore in a bit. Yeah, we still got sellers. This is fine, I reckon. Yeah, no, this is fine. We still got sellers in. We definitely don't have buyers anymore, so now it's just clearing up the
GMT.
limit orders. Yeah, now it's just clearing off the buy limit orders and we're gonna jump down. We're gonna see a big red candle around this region here, this area here. Now we're just gonna clear the limit orders that are right under the volume weighted average price VWAP. And then we're gonna shoot down. There we go. We start shooting actually right now. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. First TP is gonna be POC by the way. So this is the first TP to close. Second TP is gonna be our main TP right above VWAP, and third TP will be .16, which is the right here .16796. That would be if we hold, that would be 3K. So that's
Order cancelled.
700.
Order cancelled.
That's good profits. Okay, we're up $100. That's good. So, okay. Holy shit, massive red candle. Yep, we got it. We called it. We called it.
Cooking.
Okay.
Cooking.
Okay, we got a green candle now. So these are again limit orders. Actually, no, we have buying actually, but probably trap buyers because we see this here. And we see red. Oh yeah, we got liquidity now on the top because we see this positive delta candle here. And considering all this
Awesome.
could be good. Though this is still extremely risky, and I'm actually gonna put my
Order
stop loss
cancelled.
down. Weird, we're going up now. We didn't break the CBD high yet, so shit. Right above this line here because we could get spread hits.
Order cancelled. Order
Just the issue.
cancelled.
Right above this line here, which is our main resistance point. I'm hoping a massive red candle around this area again. Right here, around
Yeah,
this area. Okay, we touched this one now. We rejected the second low value area. If we break it, we're bullish. So if we close above it, we got 40 seconds to close.
Venice Token's still doing well.
Wait, how is VVV doing? I was hoping for a dump again. Yep, we're doing good. We still got volume here, so that's nice. Oh wait, no, buyers actually stepped in on VVV. I might just close it. Close it. Close it.
Keep an eye on it though. I reckon still do a jump. Still do a dump. There we go.
How is this moving so fast? Wow. Insane. Insane. Okay, I'm hoping for a red candle now in this area here. Now that we wiped all the limit orders. I hope we did.
I can't believe how bullish VVV is.
Oh yeah, VVV is extremely bullish. Wait, why doesn't it close? It's not closing my long. Shit. Close my
Okay, yeah.
short.
Fat red candle on GMT.
Yay. Okay, yeah, we're in profit now. Again.
Still in the negatives a little bit, but we'll be right.
Okay, I closed VVV. How much are we on the challenge account? 752. In 2 days, we basically 7x the account. We started from $1, well, now we're at 7. So we did 7x in 2 days. That's good. Gonna not enter GMT because this is heck of a volatile coin, and I don't like that. But main account, that's good for main account. Okay, we're basically on the area now that I'm expecting the red candle. So let's see where we get.
I'm still in the negatives in GMT, so I think I'm gonna hold it for a bit longer.
Yeah. Let's try to look at other coins because this is already okay. How many buying orders are here that are gonna get? What was your entry? I have a bad entry. I got a market orders these coins because there's not enough liquidity for me. I got a 2194. That's my entry.
I got in at 19,634.
We did get a red candle, just limit orders fricked us. If there were no limit orders, we would be so down because CBD is like just crashed down here. We're up
Yeah.
again, so let's see. We reject our view up now and we go down. That's basically my idea here. Let's look at other coins. What do we have? Okay, GMT already dumped on crypto levels. It's the average between exchanges, so that's good. The white whale, that's the new coin. White whale. Take a look at it. Might be good. Pi versus pumping.
Order cancelled. Order placed. Order cancelled.
Wait, oh, GMT wiped me out.
Oh,
Sure.
okay.
Yeah, that's $250 loss, so 520.
Do you reckon the
so
pump
good.
will continue, or is that just a?
No, I don't see the pump continuing. We're going. Oh wait, actually, we got CVT. Where did we reject? That's weird. There's no volume here. Just, we're basically discovering new price, so like it's not like. Yeah, I wouldn't short this anymore. We're bullish. We broke above the main resistance. Sure. Is VVV really gonna drop now that I sold? Ah, shit.
I'm just going to set a fairly tight stop loss.
Yeah, now VVV dumps like crazy. Okay,
You're joking.
sure. Yeah, we got stopped out. That's nice. That's pretty bad. Let's keep going with another trade. Let's try to look at Sui actually. It was really interesting. Sui hit our TP actually. Yeah, Sui hit our TP bro. 0.7920.
Oh yeah. Right. I've just set on GMT. I've set my stop loss at 0.205. So at like the end of that massive bump candle that we got.
No.
But
Okay,
I still
Sui
think that it will
looks.
play out.
Yeah. You can hold GMT. Probably gonna go down. It's just I don't risk that much.
I'm still confident on a Venice token short. To be fair.
Really. Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. That's probably why.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, we bounced off perfectly off this area that I marked out last time. We could have set a limit order here. We bounced twice
Oh my
here.
god. Bitcoin lost. Missed my limit order by $3.
No way.
I'm not even joking.
Yeah, we actually we actually dropped into the 89 here on Binance on Bybit, sorry. We hit my target. Okay, this is crazy absorption actually. Wait, I see CBD going shoot up. Wait. No, the Bitcoin is looking good for a short now that I'm thinking about it. Bitcoin is looking. Wait, no, I'm selling Bitcoin. Frick this. Wait, no. This is looking crazy good for a short. We got absorption like crazy here. Never seen that much absorption.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stop loss right above here.
Order placed. Order filled. Order filled.
Wait, this is looking crazy good for a short. What?
Order placed.
You I'm back.
Order filled. Order
Yeah.
placed. Order placed.
Right. Okay. Did I get stopped out? I haven't been stopped out
Order
on GMT
filled.
yet.
Order placed.
Yeah, I'm shorting Bitcoin. This is looking crazy good for short now. Quick scalp, $200 profit. I think we could go down to this area now, so this
Order
could be
cancelled.
the trade. Nice scalp, quickie scalp.
What was thinking of an
okay.
Ethereum long?
Ethereum. Well, I can't look at other shorts now. I gotta stay focused here. Stop loss, break even, maybe. No.
Order cancelled.
I reckon now we get manipulated, but still gonna go down. Okay, we saw volume going here. Where is PSC on this chart? We see PSC down here. I'm up $120. Okay, now we drop. That's nice. Are we gonna bounce? Okay, we did bounce. I'm closing if we don't. Wait,
Order cancelled.
actually. Gonna break it, right? Or yep, we do. Okay, we break this area now. That was a long trap, so that's good. Okay, stop loss and profit now.
Order cancelled.
I might reopen BBV.
Okay, I'm up $230. This is money I
Order
don't want to
cancelled.
give out to the market. Price was drawn down here. We got volume and we got sellers around the bottom. That means sellers are willing to pay a lower price for an asset.
I've re-entered VVV.
No way you did. Really?
I did.
Yeah. Yeah, no, we're dumping to like street. I should have held. I'm not entering anymore. This is like a bad entry. I don't do bad entries. Okay, we're dumping on Bitcoin. TP is red above the low deviation too. I'm up $280, 300. We're gonna make back the losses now, part of it. We could go down to like here, to be honest. This would be like the ultimate TP, and we would make back all the losses, but I'm not gonna risk
Order
it.
cancelled.
We got more trades coming. So
Order cancelled.
buyers are just getting annihilated here.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Are we getting stopped out in profit? Yes, we are. Okay, that's $170. Quick scalp. That's nice. Okay, now we're probably gonna go down to my TP, right? I should have held
Where's your
this.
take profit?
My take profit on Bitcoin was like 89,646. Your limit probably got hit actually, your limit order. Yeah, I'm still bullish now for this session. Now that we did this, gonna try to go back to these highs here. I would not long Bitcoin yet because the divergence is still present like a lot.
Oh yeah, no, my limit order got hit. I'm down already.
Yeah, you should set a really tight stop. We're gonna go down in my opinion. Man. Or we retest. No, we don't.
Oh, okay, I'm closing. I just seen profit.
Yeah, okay, that's good. That was 100. We're down 200 now. 202. You were talking about an ETH long. We're probably going down on Bitcoin, by the way. So if anyone wants to hold a short, they can. I just don't want to. Ethereum long. Let's see. We see CBD going. No, I'm shorting Ethereum if I'm doing anything. If I'm doing anything, I'm shorting Ethereum. I don't know. This is extra bearish.
GMT is looking decent still, in my opinion.
Want to try again? We can try again. Let's try again on GMT. You don't have to market enter this. Okay. It's back to my original entry. Yeah, this is going down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Should be a tight stop now.
Order
we're going
placed.
here.
Order placed. Order
So
placed.
that's
Order
$200.
placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order placed.
Okay, yeah, GMT is looking real
Order
great.
cancelled. Order placed. Order placed.
What are you thinking on Venice token?
I'm extremely bearish on this. Like hella bearish. Actually, wait, let me regraph my VP. So you got a new 15-minute
So
candle.
I'm still holding Venice token as well.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're fine to like hold it till 2.22. You're fine with it. Okay. Okay, we're at break even for the day if we hit here. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. We got the big dump on GMT that we wanted. Okay, sellers
Oh,
are
yeah,
now.
right, okay, no, I'm
We're
profit on it,
complete.
yeah.
Yep. Okay.
I'm
We're
still
gonna
in the
make.
negative, but I think more's coming.
Yeah. Okay. Are we struggling at this liquidity area? That's pretty bad. That's bullish. If we don't break this. POC was here. Yeah, sellers are in control now. We got this. We are rejecting off this low value area now. POC is up here. We got the big flick. That means sellers are here. Okay, that's good. Plus $30 in this. SL on VVV. You can put what's your entry? You can put a stop loss like I would put my stop loss right above the candle here on the 15-minute, like here above this
I'm
high.
back. Just went. Sorry, by the way, went away abruptly. Yep. This had a weather alert, so it's fine now. Anyways, what did I miss?
You missed a small loss.
Wait, Wagyu, where are you from?
He's from Morocco.
Morocco. You.
Oh yeah, you might be catching the aftermath of a storm that I had.
Oh, Storm. We're getting a new one.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. We'll probably have a new storm soon. Actually, on BTC, I tripled down on my positions. I am.
It's looking good for long now. I showed it. Bitcoin made quite a
By
bit
the
now.
way, if anyone didn't add up already on Bitcoin, this is my position. So, guys, it's a good position. We're using the breaker right. It's so cold. Yes, I'm logging.
Okay, GMT is going down nice, Pigeon. We're gonna hit POC and we're gonna try to retest it. My TP would be
Yeah, we're good.
VWAP, to be honest. I would put like a 1, 2.
Order
I
cancelled.
would put
Order
here my
cancelled.
TP. And then we're probably gonna go back up. Trading these shit coins is really profitable.
Also, by the way, Lucas, check out CFX maybe. Could get some interesting things with CFX.
Today's market,
Yes.
the market is looking bad.
By
I
the
don't
way,
think we're gonna make big
look, but
gains.
no. By the way, for anyone who did not long CFX, we still have a position open from yesterday, and we're targeting some big levels for your my team.
I would not long now, actually. I would wait for a buyers are in control on the long term, so that means CFX will pump. It's just on the short term, I'm not
Yeah,
bullish yet.
check it. No, I'm using that range as the range low you have as SL, where the volume node is highest.
Okay, yeah. If you want a long, you can set a limit order at 0.074, and it's probably gonna bounce up from there. Okay, rent profit $250 in GMT. That's good. Nice
Yeah.
stop, Pigeon.
Also, y'all in longs on Bitcoin maybe?
Yeah, I shorted Bitcoin and closed. Bitcoin's going up, that's for sure. I don't know when and if it's gonna dip more, but Bitcoin's going up. That's just 100%.
Okay. Also, quick summary reminder potentially for anyone. For now, we agree that 92-ish K is our level for a short. We have Confluence with Casper, Chris, me, and
Order
Lucas.
cancelled.
Is that right?
That is right. Okay. Let's see if we make a 1K gain. That would be nice. Okay. Challenge account, I'm not touching that anymore. We're at 715, so 7.5x. Yeah, I farmed Solana yesterday. Might be looking at getting a short down here and then going back up. So sellers are in control on Solana. That's pretty good. I might close GMT Pigeon for
Order
not
cancelled.
careful.
Order cancelled.
It's
Order
my original
placed.
stance on this.
Wait,
I'm just
how about
waiting
wait one
to be in
second.
profit.
Oh no, these are
Everyone.
limit orders. We're fine. We're completely fine on GMT because we clearly have like bearish CBD. Yeah.
So we're holding GMT, right?
Yeah, we're holding this coin. This is insane. Yeah, we're hitting limit orders now. This is just limit orders. This is extremely bearish. We're gonna go now. We're gonna have a slight bump, probably around this region. Let me actually look at the footprint. We see here at my my entry is basically the defending point.
Wait,
We're
by the
seeing
way,
price trend.
check out Giggle USDT.
Giggle. Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw the pump.
I have this idea, but it's very risky.
Oh, dump. Yeah, I saw this.
I don't have a take profit on GMT just yet. I'm just freeballing it at the moment.
Yeah, I love Giggle. I'm the market maker of Giggle. I'm the non-official. No, not the
Honestly,
market
short
maker.
this. Honestly, short this. Or maybe try to wait.
Actually, I'm not gonna long this. It's very risky. Just an idea. No one should
Short
do
Giggle.
it.
Yeah,
Very
might be looking at shorting Giggle.
Risky,
Sellers.
but oh,
Right.
BTC is doing us good. My account is bad. What are you seeing on Google? Basically, this is called.
Okay,
this
we
is
bounced off my line.
cancelled.
We bounced off my line. That's good. If we break it completely, I guess it's fine if we miss a bit above because there's going to be some spread with the crazy volume that this coin has. We're
Let me
gonna see
show-
this. We basically touched my line perfectly here on this selling level here,
Wait,
which
what
means
did
sellers
you-
are still here. Okay, we observed all the sellers. Now we're gonna shoot down. Okay, we're up $100. That's good. We observed all the sellers on this line here, and now we're just gonna try to keep going down. And if we get rejected, actually, because we're seeing an increase in CVD, but we actually broke this candle in price, which means we were hitting limit orders. Okay.
Wait,
that's what
let me
the price
explain
did.
something real quick on Giggle.
Yeah, go ahead.
Right here. So let me show you. This is a breaker LTF, and this is a hammer reversal. Outside that, there is real demand stepping in on Giggle, which is good. Some great things happening on this specific deviation. And here you see spot CVD finally calm. Open interest had been building a ton of shorts, so we have the liquidity to go up and remove those shorts. I'm just trying and attempting to use this as the hourly equal low as a reversal. So I'm just trying to pinpoint a specific type of reversals that occur in these kinds of situations. Though a reversal backup is probably likely. If anyone don't want to be a degenerate, it would be nice to enter here and target $80 as the profit, which is the high. And if price action comes into this order block at $60.2 DCA, this is my position. Red line equals DCA, entry CMP. I'd give this a B plus since you're trying to use a deviated position, so nothing that good. Anyways, back to Lucas. You can share your ideas on TFX high time frame, because LTF for you is scalping.
Yeah, wait, I'm just modifying my orders real quick on GMT. We're going down now, so that's good. We're actually trying to take a high again, and I'm probably gonna re-enter at upper deviation when if we get stopped out. Doesn't look like it. Let me reshare my screen. Wait, trading view.
The E of the E is a E. Oh. Okay. Just gonna mute.
Wait, let me share my screen. Nope, that's the wrong one. Where is it? This one. Let's look at trading view real quick to make some analysis. I'm hoping for a dump on GMT now, but we're struggling as heck. I might just close it, to be honest. Okay, we're on trading view now, so let's try to look at Ethereum. So if you look at the volume profile here, which I'm going to graph out, we see sellers were really aggressive here when buyers tried to retake it, so I'm still bearish. I would actually short Ethereum. This I would put my entry here. So on this low volume nodes here, this is my entry. This will be my stop, and I will just shoot down. We might try to go back up here. So this if we get stopped out, we go back in here. And take profits basically just gonna be I gotta find a node that we might reject. Here, this is a nice rejection node. So this would
Wait,
be
by the way, Lucas,
44.
wouldn't it be better to wait price action to hit there and see if there is a deviation but there and afterwards it would be way less risky maybe?
Yeah, we
still
just watch the price and watch volume.
Oh,
Uh,
and still
we
not
just
sacrifice RR then, by the way.
Yeah, I'm willing to give that money to the market if I'm getting a good entry on Ethereum, to be honest. Gonna wait for price and see how volume reacts to it. Yeah, VWAP's nice. Basically at VWAP here. That's also a nice confirmation. I might just put the stop a bit higher.
Oh,
It's
wait,
a
one
signal.
second. Check out Bitcoin. Great reaction at your main liquidity LTF level. We're finally
Let's check
taking that.
BTC. Okay, how is Bitcoin doing? So we have this. Okay, let's put a VWAP in.
Oh, it's cold. Really cold.
Okay. Now sellers are still in control of Bitcoin. We're gonna try to go back up here. So we caught this red candle as a trade here, as a nice scalp a couple minutes ago. We're gonna try to go back to the POC, and I want to see a lot of volume here. If on this area here I see a lot of volume, I'm longing this because that means there's a lot of interest here, and the volume has to be on the bottom of the candles, which means buyers are defending it. Now we're gonna go up, as we said we were bullish on this session. We're gonna go up here. We're gonna retest this area here, this line here, and then we're gonna try to go up. If we see volume around here, we're definitely going up. We're still in profit on GMT, which is good. The coin is shuffling up and down. We're currently in profit. So I'm gonna wait for Bitcoin to reach 91K, basically 91 flat. And if we see a volume increase, then we're going long on Bitcoin till 100K, to be honest. So yeah, basically that's it. If we break those levels, basically here, this is like where the main sellers came in. And if these sellers got exhausted because they couldn't push the price down here, buyers really defended here. And we actually got a higher high here. So I'm hoping for a move up here. Analysis is pretty bad. I'm only using like VWAP and volume profile price section. But
I think Venice token might be liquidating me.
on the actually, I
Yep,
told you it's
so
not
many
looking
buyers
good.
stepped in.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, no short close this. Was a nice short. I'm so thankful I sold actually. Wow.
Still be TP1. Okay, I'm trying to take my TP1 here on Bitcoin, the long. It looks good that we're probably going to break out. Also, this kind of setup makes me come back to the FOMC trade that we had basically on the midst of August. We had a raid of a break or two, and then we shot up as a deviation, took liquidity higher, shot back down, retested, then went to increase higher. So it's maybe a similar setup to what we have now, especially with the news that we had. Thanks, Amoeba, because you reminded me of that. So it seems that we may do something
Yeah, we're
similar.
closing. No, we're not closing GMT. We're up on GMT. Why would you close it? I swear.
Just hold it.
Just hold GMT.
I still think. Do you think Bitcoin's going to go down?
I think we're gonna reach a POC on Bitcoin and then we're going down. This red line
Where's
here. I
POC?
think we're gonna reject at 90. I would set the limit order at 99.58 to be honest. As like a really good rejection level. If we break this line, we're going like we're shooting to this one. If we're just gonna reject this, we're going down. So really hoping for a move here.
I'll have to keep an eye on Venice token then, because it seems pretty reliant on Bitcoin at the moment.
Yeah, Bitcoin hit your 91K level flat, by the way. You have to
Oh, we
check that.
actually. Oh yeah, we hit my level perfectly. That's true.
Yes.
90K perfectly, almost. Actually, almost. Yeah, we hit with the body. Let's look. Where did we bounce off here? Where did we bounce off? We bounced off here and here. Okay, so we bounced off this.
Oh my
so
God,
volume
bro.
moved.
GMT just cooked everybody. It's
Whoa,
a massive.
we're up $300. We're up $300. No way. We're up 750. No way. 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 That's so nice. Ah, yes. Hell yes. Okay.
Holy
Yeah,
pumpy.
GMT's cooking.
Okay, we cooked on that one. We're up $700. That one. Okay, we're in profit now for the day.
Keep it that way.
Alright. That's good. First W of the day.
For example, I still think Bitcoin is gonna go to around like maybe we can or hit this line here 92K 100 and go back down, or we just go back down from 90 90k, 91k basically. 91k flat, we go back down, or 92k 100 and we go back down. That's my
I might
prediction.
I might
Wait,
DCA Venice
actually,
token.
wait. This pump is a fake one on Bitcoin. There is a ton of longers. Be careful if you're trying to play anything with the long.
I'm not
This
trying.
is
We're
a
up $400 on GMT, boys. Hell yeah.
fake pump, fully closing BTC at 4.2 or.
I'm DCAing Venice token.
I don't think we're going down, bro. We got too much volume. You should close. Take the loss. Bro, we made so much money yesterday. You shouldn't care. Take the loss.
Closing my all of my
And I'm
longs.
still
at
confident that it's going to go down, to be fair, because
fully closed my longs. Yes.
if you think that this pump on Bitcoin's a fake one and that goes down, so will Venice token.
Yes.
Venice follows Bitcoin. That's so weird. A shitcoin that follows
No,
Bitcoin.
this pump is so fake. So
Okay,
so
we broke it. We broke it. We're going to 92k. Okay, we're going to 92k. We're going to 92k, and then we're going back lower. That's the prediction I'm doing. Because I don't see any. Okay, no, actually, we could bounce from here too. That's also a thing. Because we already bounced from here.
Oh,
So yeah, no. Next level is
oh.
91,600. We got no reaction of this, so like it's 91,600
no
now.
dissent. Oh no.
I
We're
don't,
up
I
so
don't think
much on GMT.
it's going to climb much further.
Okay, GMT is going back up. I think we
Wow.
close. Do we close here?
Very happy.
Setting stop loss at break even now.
Hmm.
Actually, no.
Order cancelled.
I just closed GMT.
Okay, yeah, let's close GMT. Like this. Alright.
It's so volatile
Order
at the moment.
cancelled.
I'm not sure if I
Okay,
actually want
yeah,
to.
we're up for $210 for today. That's nice.
I'm still confident on a short though.
Yeah, no, Venice is gonna go back to no, wait, GMT is gonna go back to view up. I'm just not holding this. It's way too volatile. Okay, how is VVV volume doing? I'm gonna try to help you out to make you decide if you're gonna. We're gonna. Okay, how is? Oh, bro, no, VVV. Okay, if it breaks above 2.41, you're closing. Okay, put your stop loss there.
Right.
Because that's the abbreviation. You extended stop on GMT. No, I re-entered the trade twice. But yeah, I did extend the stop on the first one. But we're
Check
in
Bitcoin
profit now.
again. By the way,
I saw
we
volume, I
took-
extended the stop.
by the way, Lucas, we have DXLL. Careful, we may flush. Careful, be very careful.
It's like the issue with okay, oh, we bounced from my level perfectly. Okay, we rejected this volume area. Okay, did we reject it? I'm really looking now. Did we reject it? We did reject it. Okay, that's good now.
This
Okay,
is
we are rejecting this. Okay, holy amount of stuff. Okay, we rejected this. That's good. Now I'm hoping we go down from now. That's the plan. Or we just go back up to here, maybe. Then we go down. Back to here.
I'm actually shorting Bitcoin soon.
USDT.D dump. What is
Oof.
USDT.D?
It's USDT.dominance.
Oh, dominance. Okay.
Oh yeah, Bitcoin is just
I never
molesting
heard of it.
longs.
Oh shit. Oh wow. Holy dump. That's true.
There are a ton of longs. This is okay. This is a complete. If everyone remembers, 117k holy pump. My idea is almost perfect. This is almost the same pump. We'll probably continue, but we'll have a bad distribution in this weekend. It's
Venice is
almost
slowing, by the way. Venice would be nice for a short here. That would be a tight stop. I still can't set limit orders. That's frustrating me so much. My second liquidation ever was because of VVV, if I remember correctly. That's like that brings back bad memories.
How are we doing?
Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna short it with 0.1% of the accounts. Wait.
Order
Minus
filled.
shorts. Wait, hold on. We took an
Order placed.
imbalance and we're rejecting.
Order
It would
cancelled.
be a smart idea to potentially position ourselves for a finalizing distribution setup. If this is it, then our deviation is complete.
There were a lot of good shorts to take on like pretty much every single coin.
This is really risky on Bitcoin.
So we did enter here. That's my theoretical position here. That's a 49R.
I'm
That's my
similar. I'm
theoretical.
similarly
You short
positioned
Bitcoin too.
with
Yeah,
you.
I was going
by
to say
the
I
way.
think Bitcoin's shorting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but it will,
VVV is
no, it will
is
probably take this high. Very likely.
Every single like altcoin has followed this pump
Very
pretty much.
risky.
where are we putting our take profits? I'm gonna put my TP at VWAP,
Order
to be
placed.
honest. We're gonna get stopped. That's fine. That's just half of the profits that we are in today, so that's good. Hoping for reject. Actually, I'm gonna set it a bit higher on the VWAP here, just so we don't get the VWAP rejection. So 1, 2, 4. Okay,
Order
here.
cancelled.
Okay, we're seeing CVD going back down, so we should go down here. GMT just dumped. No way, actually.
Wait, actually, I'm closing my longs. Kill all. I'm gonna
Oh, why did I put GMT?
Yeah, we could have
closing.
held GMT.
I'm
Would have made
closing
like
No,
MYX,
it hasn't dumped that much actually. I still believe in a short,
close
100%.
MYX.
Oh god, yeah, that position would have gotten liquidated. I didn't enter, thank god.
Okay, close TFX and MYX.
You looking at GMT, Lucas?
I was looking at GMT on my other monitor, but yeah, here we are. We're going for the second line now. We're
I'm
going up
tempted to
here.
re-enter GMT.
Don't do shit, bro. You're gonna get. Use it as no. You gotta enter a long now. You're shorting it. Enter a long for as a hedge.
Wait, spot hasn't sold. I'll wait. It will probably continue. Bitcoin will probably continue fucking longs. Fucking shorts up. Badly. It may even take 94k equal highs.
I'm looking. Okay, Venice is dumping. Hey, we cut the top almost. Now we're gonna.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Careful.
Order cancelled.
It may be an idea to take an actual long, actually, even though it sounds crazy on Bitcoin. I'm
You're
gonna
right,
take
it does sound crazy.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to play something similar.
If
to
you
what's
short
happening.
anything, you short it at 92 100. Okay, so
Me?
sellers apparently didn't. Okay, I'm putting back my original stop loss
Order
because sellers
cancelled.
really didn't win here. So now we wait.
I positioned myself for a potential setup because we're finally tapping into those short liquidations. We have not trapped them yet, nor have we touched them. It's a risky idea, but I'm in on a specific long with a tight stop loss at 91,650. By the way, this is a very exact replica of the Friday pump that happened in the midst of August. I said this before the pump because we removed the breaker. We did the same exact thing. It was basically at 111k. News came out and our guy helped us. Powell pumped us, and basically we went to 117k,
Do we
removing
have
liquidity
news?
and trapping longs. Yes, we had news
What happened?
an hour ago. This is very similar to this. It does not matter the news that is. It just matters how the liquidity was made, engineered. Before, it is the same thing as here. I said it would be funny that if we do the same thing and go vertical. We did, and this is very horrible since we're creating an event called DXLL, and this is finally going to be bad. If we continue from here, which is possible, we may
VVV is
take.
dumping, finally. Okay.
Wait, what?
VVV is dumping. I'm on a short.
I'm not shorting Bitcoin. It is a bad mistake to do so for now. There are shorters being liquidated. So the move has not started. This move trapped longs, but the next move will probably trap shorts. So careful. I don't know what will happen though.
Okay, we bounced off my line pretty well now. The second one. I think we're gonna go up to 92, 100, and then we go back down to hell. This trade was taken yesterday. This one too. That's so good. Okay. Same thing, same lines, same levels. I'm just now hoping for some kind of dump on Bitcoin when we reach here.
Wait, I'm sending a setup I have, though very risky. I'll have to be honest with you. I'm in. Let's see what we get on Bitcoin. If it happens, then I'm sure that market makers just retry to play God. Nah. They love. Wait, actually, this happened on August 9th. Friday, I think. I have to check. Wait, funny enough, Casper, funny enough, everyone. The same pump happened on August 9th. Same thing. Just a quick little friendly update.
What happened on August 9th, though? Like after the pump?
We flushed and nuked and removed the liquidity, absorbed, then went back to all-time highs. That's what happened.
Ooh.
I have this indicator we can try out. Wait. Predicts price based on volume and stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go up to my line as the prediction says, and we're probably going back down. Right.
Yeah, but Pigeon, just to let you know, the same thing happened here in terms of liquidity engineering. The same
Yeah.
shit. We made a breaker in the morning at London session. We basically engineered we did another deviation, then made a tree tap, a head and shoulder, and a breaker. And after that, right after the news, we flushed, took the breaker level, but made the higher low. After that, we went and just went ballistic, vertical. In like 5 minutes, we pumped 2K. And that's what happened. And it's almost an exact replica.
Okay, right. So that's a pretty likely scenario then.
Yep.
I'm still really confident on a GMT short though, but Lucas didn't have any of it.
Yeah. I don't know what will market makers do. Will they sell off here? I'm not sure entirely. I don't trust what they want to do. What the hell do... Yeah. Would be interesting to say the least. But it's probably continuation higher. At the very least.
Grape, VVV will start making moves whenever Bitcoin does.
Wait, I'm actually adding a position. $91,550 as stop loss.
But yeah, what I find a bit different to this session is a lot of altcoins and shitcoins are very affected by
Wait,
this pump.
yeah, you see? Wait, actually, yeah, it's the same shit. Wait, no, it's not that. Hold on. No. On August 9th, I think. I'm looking at FOMC. I
Bruh,
don't remember.
crypto bubbles, everything bumped. Everything. Like everything bumped. We're green everywhere.
Yeah, that's nothing crazy. Everything
Yeah, that's
pumped.
what I was saying. It's like it's so affected by Bitcoin at the moment. It's
Actually,
the
by the
thing that
way,
I don't trust. I mean, it offers a bit of
shorters
security.
By the way,
But,
shorters
like-
are being trapped. Just for your mighty interest too. 91 to 100. Final trade, and I go rest. Let's see what we get. Okay. Stocks are ripping. Yeah, good news. News are lovely. You gotta love your news. Let's see what's going on again. Yeah, they're deviating again. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fluck, 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 fuck, fuck. Mm. Yeah, 1 second. I'm just looking at something interesting.
Technically, I'm still up for the day, so I could close it now. Market's really not looking great, bro. Market's looking real bad.
Yeah, markets is okay. The hell's happening again with Bitcoin? I think I'm waiting for a retest. Remember that red AMT line? It could be used as an important reversal.
No
we
way.
get-
Is ETH actually dropping? No, I called that. Did ETH actually drop? No fucking way.
What dropped?
Ethereum. Oh yeah, frick! I called the freaking short, and I didn't enter. The only fucking position I don't enter.
Wait, actually. Spots had not sold, which is crazy. Reversal then.
Lucas, what are we
Doubling
thinking on GMT? Because I'm still vastly confident that it will eventually go down like straight back to 16 cents.
down. Okay, I'm in a dual position.
Bro, we
No.
dumped so freaking much. We're gonna reach my original TP. Yeah, short this.
Order filled.
Fuck that.
Shut up.
What, GMT?
Yeah, fuck
Order
that.
placed.
Short this shit
Order
till view
canceled.
up.
Order placed.
$400
placed.
scalp.
Order cancelled.
$400
Order
scalp.
cancelled. Order cancelled.
How much leverage are you putting into it? 20.
24. That's the max. I would have put 100 if I could.
Are you confident on a GMT short?
Well, it looks like I think it's gonna go back to POC actually. So we're gonna re-enter this if we go back to POC. But yeah, extremely
Yeah,
tight stop
I'm
on
gonna
the top of that
hold
cap.
mine off personally for a minute.
Wait, actually, we may retest. If we just get a good reaction, it would be Gucci for a long. By the way, this flush is removing longers like crazy. This dump on BTC.
Great.
TF.
I don't know. I just felt really like uncertain about it, and it is so volatile at the moment. I'm just not sure.
Actually, by the way, there are multiple amounts of shorts that we'll probably tap into.
You know, I'm shorting it. I'm shorting it. I don't care. Bring GMT down.
Yeah, I think
I mean-
shitcoins don't matter with GMT. Either way, I think I'll have to go soon. And
Drop the losing and the winning piano. Oh, we dropped. Yeah, GMT dropped. Okay, I saw the volume. Okay, yes. Okay. By the way,
I literally
put
just entered it
the
after the drop as well.
shit. We're gonna go down to view up and we're gonna go back up after that. We're gonna go here. That's $400.
I'm
Red box.
posting something over here.
Grape, give us the piano cards, the losing ones and the winning ones. What is VVV doing? I'm not checking VVV. Where is VVV?
Great.
I
Do you
have
mind
a-
sending me the P&L cards privately, just so I can put them on info?
And the losing ones, of course, because we aren't scammers. I hope you're not, Pigeon.
Yo, I need followers right now. Rah!
Oh no.
What is VVV doing? What the heck is this? This is not a legit top, is it? I have a
Yeah,
stop loss. I
I'm
don't
still
really care.
caught up in a short.
Order
By the
cancelled.
way,
Oh.
how much are we up
Um,
today?
I got stopped on VVV. I got stopped on VVV,
yeah,
by the way.
yeah, I got stopped out too. I got stopped out too.
Yeah, frick this. Are you down a lot, Pigeon? Because we're gonna make this back with GMC, I hope.
Yeah, no, I'm down 80% from VVV.
Ah, shit. Let's go.
I
do
just
it
lost
back.
I just lost 8% of my port. So
Yesterday we made like 25%, so I don't really care. We can lose 25% today and not break even. Okay, we're gonna try to retest POC. Am I getting bad on GMT? Really?
so we're still confident on GMT. What's like what's the word? Bleh.
Order flow blocks are looking good. Let's just say it
Okay,
like that.
right. We're gonna hold GMT to the floor. Who cares?
Yep.
God, I'm so tired.
Are you longing Bitcoin, Magu? What the heck?
I am, and I'm already in profits.
Feels crazy. Okay, we're getting stopped out here.
Yeah. By the way,
No.
just to let you know, on BTC, this situation is almost an exact replica to that pump FOMC scenario I have in mind. It came on a Friday. It may not be August 9th, but it was in the mid of August, I'm sure. But basically, it was almost the exact same thing to this. I'm just trying to play the setup, yet stay reasonable with my order flow. They were long strapped and they got removed in a sweep, and that's really good. And they are short strapped now, so it would be wise to take them off for market makers. We'll see. Only
We are
time could tell.
struggling on GMT to make back that candle, by the way, this red candle. We are struggling like crazy.
Also, Tony, I did not hear anyone here. What are your comments? What do y'all think? Any
Honestly,
ideas?
I hope GMT is struggling because I entered like after the red candle, so I might be doomed, but we're fine.
Let's
Manage
see.
yourself, Pigeon. Manage yourself. You're gonna see a
Whoa,
big red
whoa.
candle.
Buddy, Lucas, I think
Yeah.
you made someone get a dozen. Wait, actually, is it 9x? No way.
What do you mean 900% on 1 week? Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Bro's a degenerate.
Order cancelled. Order placed.
What's happened?
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I got stopped out on GMT. Let's re-enter now. POC 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Order filled. Order
Whoa,
filled.
whoa, whoa. Bitcoin is not doing me good.
Order placed.
The hell?
Order placed. Order placed. Order cancelled.
Definitely degenerate. Yeah.
Order cancelled. Order placed.
Mm,
Order placed. Order cancelled. Order
so
placed.
laggy. I'm currently degenerated on my MCF 5K. I'm being a degenerate with the test. Wee.
Basically a double topper CVD. These are limit orders. That's fine. People want to buy GMT. Okay, this is still like a clear uptrend, but price retried again, then we're trying back up and then we're going down. That's like how it works. Usually with coins like this. You see, the issue is like when I set my market orders here, I actually dump this, so I get spread and then my orders don't get filled. I think I should start trading on an exchange with more liquidity. I'm gonna switch to Binance to be honest. I can't set limit orders on small coins.
Wagyu, what's your opinion at Bitcoin? Yeah, it's probably gonna deviate higher. This is just a little calm before we go more and more ballistic.
Order cancelled.
Or we
Order
may just
placed.
flush. It just depends on what market gives us. Currently, I'm on a risky long roll. Right now, I'm just
Order cancelled.
ballistic with my setups, going very aggressive with what I have. But hopefully things go well, okay? I'm just trying to
Pigeon,
play
we switched value area. I'm kind of worried that we're going up now.
On GMT.
Yeah, we kind of switched value areas, so let's see if we can get a pullback now. I'm not entering this. If we close green on this candle 15 minute 1 minute, you can close your short. Although we're red now, like a lot.
I think that it may retrace to 2 cents and then we're dumping. I think that's the furthest
I'm
we'll
not
see
touching.
this go.
I'm at break even for today, a bit up actually. So let's see if we can get it. Tony, by the way, where do you get your freaking calls? This is insane, 100%.
She is also a very high RR savvy person. I actually met Tony when she posted about a 28R trade on Fortcoin. I remember very precisely. You, me, and Pigeon are not just the only RR lovers, okay? We're not all just peace and quiet guys.
You know, I actually fucked my win rate. Oh, ETC is looking so
Nah,
good for short.
actually, no, even everyone here has a fucked up win rate.
Oh.
Even me. Also, that win rate is not fucked up.
My
You
win
have
rate's actually decent.
No,
so
no,
I'm
wait,
no,
trying my best to preserve it.
no, just to let you know, many servers I know which are freaking paid to give you setups have worse accuracy and less RR with like tens of traders than all of them against you as a single person. So don't
Yeah, I
worry.
think Tony is smart. She closes trade when she's in profit. I kind of don't close them. Like I was up like a lot on all of these trades. I just don't close them. And maybe I should learn from her.
Yeah, not taking trades and fumbling the profits, you mean?
Yeah, actually, my win rate went down. I'm actually looking here on my exchange. My win rate went from 31% to 39% now. That's sad. Oh. And maybe I'm
It's
gonna reach. Yeah, ETC short is looking good. We could have shorted at the third band. Freaking shit. Oh God, why didn't I look at this coin? We got an anomaly here, by the way. That's sweet. Yeah, this is a good short. If anyone wants to take it, take it. I'm not taking it. It's too good to enter. It's probably gonna dump the market if I enter.
oh wait.
Pigeon, you holding GMT?
Yeah, I'm holding GMT just for a bit.
Everything short is
Order
looking
failed.
good. I'm gonna try to short Solana here. We accepted VWAP. Let's go to here. Nice. My stop loss is broken again.
I honestly think today is still going to be very bullish. Oh, winter race is cooked.
Oh shit. Yeah, my stop loss broken. I'm gonna have to enter
Whoa.
manually. Exit manually.
My
That's bad.
wait, I'm getting
By the way, guys, I'm
bell
sorry, I've got a
loss
really
on
long nose.
Bitcoin. Yeah, got hit stop loss on Bitcoin. GG's. GG. Yee. Wait, how much did I lose? Whoa! I did something wrong.
You gotta be careful. Okay, we
Wait.
did retrace it.
I did the wrong amount of Bitcoin. What?
Again, Wagyu, again.
Yeah. Yeah, I put a wrong lot size. That was a bad mistake. Fuck. Shit. Yeah, we're tracing the move. 90.688.
It's
Yeah,
got a decent red candle on GMT.
Yes. I'm up on Solana. I shorted Solana system volume.
This is the final trade I'm taking. Also, I'll have to hop off now. I'm going to go now. This is
See you later, Wagyu.
Lucas's room. See ya, guys.
I'm closing this in profit in if we break the POC here. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Buyers are in control, they can't get the price up, that's bearish. Okay, we're finally here on Solana. GMT should start going down now soon, because okay, we completely absorbed the buyers. We love longing and scalping. I just love scalping. Oh, you shorted ETH? No way. Actually, Grape, you listen to me. Oh, that's nice. Well, glad you're in profit. I'm not, surely. Okay, I'm closing this. Solana short. We're $50 up. Okay, we're $100 up for the day. Did lose quite a lot, but that one trade on Bitcoin did as well. Am I shorting GMT again? I really want to short it.
Honestly, short it. I mean, what's liquidity looking like? Is there more buyers or sellers?
We got bias.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
we got
pretty.
some shitty.
Who was actually making these trades? Jesus.
Let's try to dump it again. Should we try?
Yeah, go
I
on.
think I have.
Max leverage.
Yeah, we actually found a technique to make infinite money on these small cap coins. You just set a huge limit order on the coins right here, on top of here, right? And then you just tell everyone to put their limit orders right below this, so they get filled. And it filled my order and just crashed down the market. That's kind of funny to do sometimes. I like to do it with my gambling ports. We profited like a shit ton with that strategy a bit ago. I guess Chris was right. Okay, yeah, GMT is starting to struggle. We hit the main liquidity level. Am I gonna risk it? Should I risk it for the biscuit? Fuck
course you
Order
this.
filled. Order filled.
I'm renting GMT.
Order placed.
Fuck
Order
this.
placed. Order
And now I'm
cancelled.
setting a huge take profit. I'm not touching it anymore.
Order cancelled.
There you
Order
go.
placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order placed. Order placed.
There's still too much buying pressure. How are there buyers? Bro, this coin has to go to shit. Okay. Okay, we didn't break the high, so we're good, but like, whoa. Market is not looking good like yesterday. VVV is finally starting to dump.
Are we planning on a re-entry for VVV?
Not yet. Let me check actually. No, not yet. There's still volume up there. Okay, finally up on GMT. That's good, I guess. Can we please just try to break this low now? Can you check CC? We might want to long it. Try that out.
Yeah, I was looking at that. That's the only coin that hasn't been affected by the Bitcoin pump.
Is your soul in loss? No, I closed Solana, bro. Already closed it. In profit.
Order cancelled. Order placed.
Yeah,
Order
for
cancelled.
GMT, we got fucked on GMT again. Yeah, no, I'm not touching this coin anymore. Fuck this. The Bitcoin pump again.
What,
Okay.
have you shut GMT like for good?
Fuck this. Okay. Soul is pumping. We got this, we exited here. You see? We sold here, exited here on this candle.
I might hold GMT.
Wanna- Don't do this shitty holes. Yeah, market is pretty bad today. I actually got drunk yesterday, which is weird. When we started making a lot, I started drinking a lot, and shit happens. VVV is up like crazy. Render is up like crazy. Thank God we didn't short that. GMT is down by on the hour. We're still up completely on the day. BTC is gonna crash now. What happened, Grip? Yeah, frick GMT. Don't enter GMT anymore. We're gonna wait for market now. Nice. Mexi again doing its shit. Gonna get some food, wait.
I'm gonna carry on holding GMT for a minute. I'm in profit on GMT now.
Nice. Everything is pumping. I would stop shorting if I were you.
I'm too confident in it, to be fair. I'm just going to carry on holding GMT. I know it's a massive gamble, but honestly. And a Venice token short, that's starting to slow down on biomomentum.
Ah, no way GMT dropped. Bro, I got stopped out. I got stopped out for like so long. Ah,
Yeah,
shit.
told you.
I'm still bullish on it.
GMT?
Yeah, we didn't break this liquidity pool here.
I'm bearish as hell.
You're the bear, I'm the bull. Let's see what happens.
Go on long it. Sue's right. We have to put actual stakes on the line.
Set your stop loss at break even. No, a bit above break even actually, because it could. Oh, that's nice then. Really, really weird market today. Really weird. Kind of
Bro,
weird
Tony
because
got such
yesterday.
a good entry.
What the heck? How did she get? Yeah, you're right. Wow.
That's on 20 times leverage as well.
Hell yeah. Okay, we just did a dip here. Okay, yeah, GMT's bearish now. We broke this box here.
Told you. Yeah, no, I'm holding it.
I'm not entering this shit anymore. Fuck that. I'm at $100 profit. That's nothing. Shit. Yesterday was almost like 20k profit. That was insane, bro. Today markets are like so manipulative. I don't understand. I'm starting to eat into yesterday's profit, to be honest, on the gamble account. On the gamble account too, and on the challenge account. I didn't do any trades. Okay, VVV is nice for short, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I actually know we got volume here. Buyers are still active. For real, I gotta start using Wix. Weeks as should we stop loss at breaking if we go to war with Mexico? Y'all think that's bullish? If you guys go to war with Mexico, that's bearish as fuck. Yeah, buyers try to go up. Nope. You're completely bearish on this coin. It's looking such like a good short now. Oh hell no, bro. I missed out. It's tight stop losses. Tight stop losses fuck us up, really. No, I didn't win the funded accounts on the giveaways. Ah, shoot. Probably gonna buy a 2200. You know, I wanted to buy a $200,000 funded account on MCF. Wabu wanted to speedrun it. Try to complete it in 5 days. Might do that. He said we can keep 100% of the profits after like a couple payouts. That may be good actually.
Right, how's GMT looking? Yeah. Bullish, bearish
Hey,
as hell.
we reached VWAP. We reached my original TP. No freaking way. I would have made $2,000 if I held. Oh, that's so bad.
Okay, I'm just going to drag my stop loss to profit.
That's so bad. I could have made $2,000. Oh. Puppies. So, Alright. GMT gonna go.
See you later, Tony. I reckon I'm gonna reopen Venice token later today.
I'm gonna reopen now. No, not even. This is the no. No.
Can you guys hear me okay? Lucas? Right. GMT better not have a pullback.
I can't access the Bytebit website. So
He's back. He's back.
who's back?
You.
I was
He's gone again.
bro.
No, he's back.
What do you mean I'm gonna? No, I'm
Bro,
back.
your Wi-Fi is so bad. You've been glitched out for like the past 2 minutes.
It's not my Wi-Fi. That shit. I'm on a train. Like I'm getting into a train now.
Bro, it's your Wi-Fi. It's a problem on your end because everybody can hear me okay.
Yeah. Apparently the Bybit is down. I can't access Bybit. It's a Cloudflare error now. When I try to log into the website. Atas is huge. It uses like 13 gigabytes of RAM.
Wait, everyone is still in?
Yeah, we're shorting.
Oh, you're shorting Bitcoin? I'm up on Bitcoin actually.
I'm not shorting it. I'm gonna short it.
Oh yeah. By the way, we're recovering. We're probably gonna do another leg up. I forgot to update, but let's see.
Bitcoin.
Actually, yeah, I forgot to update that. Yeah, there is still real demand. The shorters are gonna get cooked at CMP. Spot CVD is untouched. And all of this shit will just keep on cooking more and more shorts. Yeah.
Can't you so anymore? Like
Literally everything has been affected by, except from SDBL and CC. And then CC is dumping right now.
Crazy at this as well. I have that. Do you have a plan? I think plan you that many plus user like I that actually
Low.
gigabytes RAM.
Lucas, Wagyu,
Bro,
can you
I'm-
hear that?
Hear what?
Bro, what
What was
the heck?
Lucas just like absolutely bugging out for you?
Yeah, his Wi-Fi was Wi-Fiing.
You know what? Let me do something.
His Wi-Fi got Wi-Fi'd by the Wi-Fi.
By the Wi-Fi,
Yeah, he got Wi-Fi'd. That's what's happened.
totally Wi-Fi, bro.
Okay. E. E of the E of the E. Okay. It seems that market makers do want to push this shit a little higher. They're not done. Market makers are still aggressive. There's still lots of blood. Open interest is just dying. So what are we up? Are we up or red for today, Lucas? Hello? Oh yeah, no Wi-Fi. HBE. Oh no, you're shorting. No, it wants to take your stop loss. No.
No.
Actually, maybe not. I'm gonna check. Market makers are really aggressive. Wait, no way they're gonna do an equal high. Oh, nah, don't do that. That's mean. Market makers, that's so meany. No, we still got room.
I'm shorting BTC. Frick this. Going all in on my gamble portfolio. That's 21 grand. I'm shorting Bitcoin.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Middle.
Hmm. Wait, by the way, Lucas, you up or down for this live stream?
I'm up $59. Pretty bad
Uh,
result.
No, profit is profit and break even is profit. You know, there are two profits in this game, and there is only one loss, and that's loss. Profit is break even.
What do I freaking do with $50? That's probably one of my worst sessions. In profits. What's my stop loss? I don't even know. I'm gonna market trade
That's-
Bitcoin soon. I don't know when. I'm gonna volume when I see like a huge buyer entering. We actually got volume here on Bitcoin. Oh, Bybit is up. Is it Bybit up again? Bybit is up again, I think.
Lucas,
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'm probably gonna head out, but DM me about any VVV or GMT ideas.
Sure. Get good rest. I'm
Oh.
probably going now soon. I'm at $50 in profit. I'm not gonna risk it. Or I am if I see selling pressure on BTC. It's a pretty bad day.
Right, see you guys later.
Yeah.
I'm entering. Frick this. Let's freaking short it. Let's market short it. Market short BTC 100. Boom.
Amazingos. Okay. Yeah.
My
market
stop loss
makers-
is.
Wait, actually, I'm adding another position. Fuck it. Okay. Oh shit.
Are you
Fuck.
shorting or are you shorting?
No,
BTC.
longing. No, longs. I'm longing
What do you mean
heavily.
you're longing? I'm shorting it. I'm shorting this shit to like 0.
That's good. We want contradicting opinions, you know? That's what makes beauty.
No, I'm gonna put my take profit on 300
Oh.
right now. I'm even entering on the challenge account. That's how confident I am. I am definitely not confident on this, but I'm entering because Casper entered. I got his confirmation, and kind of don't care because, yeah.
Yeah, I added something. It would be actually interesting for us to continue higher. This is not that same, this is much slower, but much more precise, I guess. Casper, what do you think, though? We may get that high, though. Like, by high, I mean, take some bigger highs, either the FVG or even higher. In yeah, either that or even go take the breaker high.
No, we're down on BTC. Hey, yay.
I'm not sharing screen. Lucas, share your screen. If you're
I can't.
here.
I'm gonna start lagging again.
Oh, yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Play some bangers. Banger what's music? Some music, some tunes. Let's see what BTC gives us. Yeah, actually, our friend Grape recorded this whole stream, which is goated.
Chris is saying to market short it. So that's also confirming. I'm into BTC short and I really don't care. My TP is down here. And yeah, let's go. Probably gonna head out now. I'm shorting BTC. Got something else to do, so I think I'm gonna end it here. It's already been like 3 hours, so I'm good. Goodbye. My take profit 90,792, right at the bottom and the 1 minute chart. Bye bye. Pretty bad day today with 50 bucks in profit. That was extremely bad actually. So we're gonna try to make it back on the next stream. Goodbye.
See ya.